To survive, our ancestors consumed the wild to steal its power.
Today, that ancient hunger has evolved. We no longer consume the flesh. We sequence the code.
Nature is an open library of genetic enhancements.
The bowhead whale utilizes MGMT for DNA repair.
Greenland sharks live for centuries because of their expanded DNA repair machinery.
The elephant's TP53 copies grant cancer immunity. The tardigrade's D-sup protein shields against radiation. We synthesize this strength into human code.
We select the traits, algorithm generates the form, and biology becomes our canvas.